Namaskaram everyone, we are making falafel today. We do not have the ingredients to make the authentic version of it. Instead of parsley, which is the main ingredient that they use for making falafel, we are using coriander. Here we have capsicum, green chili, garlic, onion, black pepper, whole coriander and small jeeragam combined, and of course the main ingredient is soaked chickpeas. Baking powder and salt. Now we shall mix all the ingredients together. This much amount can be easily shared by 3 to 5 people. Make sure you do not make it into too much of a paste. Make sure to pulse and grind in rapid moments rather than one go.
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അരഞ്ഞു പോകരുത്. നമ്മൾ നമ്മുടെ പരിപ്പോടയില്ലേ അതുപോലെ പരിപ്പോടയിൽ ഇച്ചിരി പേസ്റ്റ് ആകണ്ട. പേസ്റ്റ് ആയാൽ അതാ എൻ്റെ ക്രിസ്പിനെസ് കറക്റ്റാ ഉണ്ടാ മതി.
We shall keep this mixture in fridge for half an hour. You can put some maida or breadcrumbs if you feel it's too moist, but the taste can get affected. After taking from the fridge, add baking powder. Add salt to taste and then mix properly. Make it into balls of desired shape and fry it in sunflower oil. Make sure to cook in medium flame, else the insides won't get cooked properly.
Falafel Al-Habibi Falafel Mustafa.
The falafel is crispy and golden brown in color. The one I used to get in Qatar have a green insides, and here also it's just like that. Yummy yum. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed, as it really helps me a lot. If my content has helped you in any way, please do feel free to subscribe and also like this video. That really helps me a lot. So thank you guys, and try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how you liked it or not. So let me go and enjoy my falafel. Take care. Bye. Namaskaram.
Falafel vegetarians നമുക്ക് falafel യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും.
ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം അങ്ങനെ. Okay.
And subscribe to the channel and like for more recipes.